Here's the Nissan Sentra. Let's go ahead and get started. Now there's a door sensor on each of the 4 doors. I'm just going to show you on the right side door. Let's start with the front door. Open the door and right over there is a sensor. We just have to take out this one bolt that's holding it in place, and for that you will need a 7mm socket ratchet combination. So let's go inside over there and start taking that bolt off, and let's get it out and keep it somewhere safe. You don't want to lose it. Grab the sensor, pull it out. Now we have to get the connector off of it. So press right when I'm pressing with my right thumb and pull the sensor off the connector. Get the new sensor and then slide it back onto the connector. Make sure you don't lose the connector and it doesn't get pulled back into the body, because that's just extra work for you. Put the sensor back in, put the bolt back in. First just hand tighten it and then tighten it down using the socket ratchet combination. Now this bolt is important because it not only holds the sensor in place, but it also completes the electrical connection over there. And without it, the sensor will not work. So make sure you tighten it properly. And now let's move on to the rear side door. Same sensor, same bolt, same everything. No differences whatsoever. Same 7mm bolt. Let's just get it out. Get the sensor out. Let's get the electrical connector out by pressing right over there. Pull the sensor off. Get the new sensor and then click it back on. Only goes on one way. Put it back in there. Again, hand tighten the bolt first and then tighten it down using the socket ratchet combination. Make sure you tighten it down properly. That's good, and that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for the entire inventory.